Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel your Bolt Food order. First, open the Bolt Food app on your phone and log in to your account. Go to the Orders tab and find the order you want to cancel. Tap on that order to view its details. If your order is still being prepared and hasn't been picked up by the rider, you'll see a cancel order option at the bottom of the screen. Tap cancel order and confirm your choice. Your order will be canceled immediately. If the rider has already picked up your food or it's on the way, the cancel option will no longer appear. In this case, go to your profile or account section, scroll down and tap support. From there, you can contact customer service and explain the issue. They'll help you handle it. And that's it. That's how to cancel your Bolt food order. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.